Hey hunters! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you find the perfect caliber for your next hunt. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest mistakes hunters still make: wasting money on the wrong caliber. Don't worry, we're not selling or promoting any firearms here. This video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes to help you make smarter, safer choices this hunting season. Let's get into it. Number 5. 30-06 Springfield. The 30-06 Springfield is a classic hunting caliber that's been trusted by hunters for over a century. It's versatile, powerful, and works well for big game like deer, elk, and moose. This caliber has a strong reputation because it can handle a wide range of bullet weights, from 150 to 220 grains, making it great for different hunting situations. Whether you're in thick forests or open plains, the 30-06 delivers reliable performance. It's widely available, so you won't struggle to find ammo at most stores. However, it's not perfect for everyone. The recoil can be heavy, especially for new hunters, and the ammo can be pricey compared to newer calibers. Still, for the 2026 hunting season, the 30-06 remains a solid choice for those who want a time-tested option that can take down almost any game in North America. Just make sure you're comfortable with its power and cost before choosing it. Pro S, versatile for big game like deer, elk, and moose due to its power. Wide range of bullet weights, 150 to 220 grains for different hunting needs. Ammo is widely available in most gun stores and online. Proven track record with over 100 years of use in hunting and military. Con S, heavy recoil can be tough for new or smaller framed hunters. Ammo can be expensive, especially for premium hunting rounds. Older caliber, so it's less optimized for long-range precision. Rifles chambered in 30-06 can be heavier than modern options. Number 4. 7mm PRC. The 7mm PRC is a newer caliber designed for hunters who want precision and power for the 2026 season. It's built for long-range shooting, making it ideal for open terrains like mountains or plains. The 7mm PRC shoots flat, which means the bullet doesn't drop much over distance, helping you hit targets far away. It's great for medium to large game, like deer or antelope, and has less recoil than some older calibers like the 30-06. Ammo is made with modern technology, so it's consistent and accurate. However, because it's new, ammo can be hard to find and costs more than common calibers. You'll also need a newer rifle chambered for it, which can be expensive. For hunters who love cutting-edge gear and long shots, the 7mm PRC is a great pick, but it might not suit everyone due to availability and cost. Pro S, excellent for long-range hunting with flat trajectory. Modern design offers high accuracy and consistency. Good for medium to large game like deer and antelope. Lower recoil than older calibers like .30 or .6, easier to shoot. Con S, ammo is expensive due to its specialized design. Limited availability in stores compared to common calibers. Requires newer rifles which can be costly to buy. Less versatile for close range or heavy game compared to others. Number 3. 270 Winchester. The 270 Winchester is a popular choice for hunters looking for a reliable caliber for the 2026 season. It's been around since the 1920s and is loved for its balance of power and ease of use. This caliber is great for medium game like deer and antelope, and it can even handle larger animals like elk with the right bullet. The 270 shoots flat, making it good for longer shots in open areas. Its recoil is manageable for most hunters, so it's a good option for beginners or those sensitive to kick. Ammo is widely available and comes in many bullet types, from 130 to 150 grains. However, it's not the best for very heavy game like moose, and long-range accuracy can lag behind newer calibers. For many hunters, the 270 Winchester is a dependable, all-around choice that won't break the bank. Pro S, great balance of power and manageable recoil for most hunters. Effective for medium game like deer and antelope. Ammo is widely available and affordable in many stores. Flat trajectory makes it good for long-range shots up to 300 yards. Con S, less effective for heavy game like moose or bear. Not as precise at extreme ranges as newer calibers. Bullet selection is good, but not as varied as .30 or .6. Older design, so it lacks some modern ballistic advantages. Number 2. 308 Winchester. The .308 Winchester is a versatile and popular caliber for the 2026 hunting season. It's widely used for hunting, tactical shooting, and even military applications, making it a trusted choice. The 308 is powerful enough for big game like deer, elk, and even bear, but its recoil is manageable for most hunters. It offers a wide range of bullet weights, from 150 to 180 grains, so you can tailor it to your hunting needs. Ammo is easy to find and relatively affordable, which is great for frequent shooters. The caliber performs well in both short and medium ranges, making it ideal for varied terrains. However, it's not the best for extremely long shots, and the recoil can still be tough for beginners. For hunters who want a reliable, all-purpose caliber, the .308 is hard to beat, but it has some limitations. Pro S, versatile for big game like deer, elk, and bear. Wide variety of bullet weights for different hunting scenarios. Ammo is affordable and widely available in stores. Good for short to medium ranges in various terrains. Con S recoil can be noticeable for new or smaller hunters. Less effective for extreme long-range shots over 500 yards. Heavier rifles chambered in .308 can be tiring to carry. Not as flat-shooting as newer calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor. Number 1. 6.5 Creedmoor. The 6.5 Creedmoor is a top choice for the 2026 hunting season, especially for hunters who value precision. This modern caliber is known for its flat trajectory and excellent long-range accuracy, making it perfect for open fields or mountain hunts. It's effective for medium game like deer and antelope, and with the right bullet, it can take down larger animals like elk. The 6.5 Creedmoor has low recoil, so it's comfortable for most hunters, including beginners. Its ammo is designed for consistency, which helps with accurate shots. However, ammo can be pricey, and it's not always easy to find in every store. It's also less powerful for very heavy game compared to calibers like the .30 or .6. For hunters who prioritize accuracy and ease of use, the 6.5 Creedmoor is a fantastic option, but it's not perfect for every situation. Pro S, excellent long-range accuracy with flat trajectory. Low recoil makes it easy for beginners to shoot. Great for medium game like deer and antelope. Modern ammo design ensures consistent performance. Con S, ammo is more expensive than older calibers like .270. Limited availability in some local gun stores. Less effective for heavy game like moose or bear. Requires modern rifles, which can be costly to buy. And there you have it, the smart way to choose the right hunting caliber for 2026. Remember, this video is all about sharing knowledge, not selling or encouraging firearm use. Always follow your local laws, hunt safely, and make informed decisions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest hunting insights, and drop your favorite caliber in the comments. Thanks for watching, and as always, hunt smart and stay safe.